everybody, and welcome. My name is Kelsa Ferguson. I'm with the University of Missouri Extension, Nutrition and Health. Today, we are going to make banana oatmeal cookies. This recipe is super easy and quick. It only includes 5 ingredients. You'll need 2 nice brown ripe bananas, 1 cup of oats, either old-fashioned or quick oats, half a cup of raisins, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Before you get started, you want to be sure to clean and disinfect the surface that you're using, as well as wash your hands. And once you've done that, you want to contact an adult to help you preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And once you've done that, we'll go ahead and get started. First, we're going to take our 2 nice brown ripe bananas and peel them and put them in the bowl. You want them to be nice and ripe, that way it'll be a little bit easier to mash. Get them in there. To mash up our bananas, we'll just use a fork. You might have something easier or better to mash bananas with. You might use a potato masher or something like that. You just want to get them to create a nice, smooth consistency. So there's no more chunks in there or clumps. There we go. Look a little bit like that. Next, we're just going to throw the rest of the ingredients in there. So we'll add our oats, our raisins, cinnamon, and vanilla. Once we got all of that in there, we're just going to take our spoon and mix it all up. You want to mix all the ingredients fairly well, just till it's nice and smooth. There's less chunks and clumps in there. Perfect. Now, once you got it all mixed together, you want to have your baking sheet. You want to get it pre-greased so the cookies won't stick once they come out of the oven. Now we're just going to take our spoon and just make little spoonfuls of cookies. They're kind of crumbly, so you try to kind of put them together, and you can use the top of your spoon to flatten them out, because they'll come out of the oven looking the same way they did when we were putting them on the tray. Also, while you're baking these, you might want to do something other than raisins. You could add chocolate chips, or if you wanted to add some protein, you could put some nuts in there as well. Or you can do a little bit of mixture of all 3. You just want to do about half a cup. All right, this should make about 12 cookies. You just make little spoonfuls on your tray. Kind of flatten them out on there. They're very crumbly, so it's going to take a little bit of work to get them to make nice round cookies. All right, we'll do that much for now. Perfect. So once you get them together and you got nice cookies, we'll go ahead and take them to the oven. They'll bake for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the cookies are done, they'll come out and they'll be nice, not as crumbly, they'll stick together a little bit better. This recipe is a great source of whole grains, as the oats that we use are a whole grain, and we really strive to have more whole grain in our diet. And it's also good because it includes fruit as well, with the banana and raisins. I hope you all enjoyed this video and you enjoy the cookies. We look forward to seeing you again soon. There'll be a link for the recipe along with this video as well. Thank you.